Hello all. Here we are going to explain spirometry with our specific model Helios 401, which is a PC based machine. Start. So this is our dedicated machine. This is Helios 401, and as it is PC based, we will connect this device with PC and we will perform spirometry tests. This is mouthpiece. We connect it to the turbine, and this is the disposable mouthpiece. We connect it and blow air with the help of this disposable mouthpiece. We have to insert this mouthpiece into our mouth and then we will perform the test. We have connected this device with laptop. Now we will perform tests. We have to open the software. Before performing test, we have to enroll patient information, which is very vital in interpretation of these tests. Age, height, weight, these are very crucial in this interpretation. So as you can see the patient details, we have to fill all these details to perform the test. As we have filled the patient information, now we will save it and then perform the test. And now we are going to perform the test. First we will click on start. Firstly we will perform pre-test, as we are doing it first time. So we will select pre. Now the subject will perform the test. Just perform it. Firstly you have to expire the air and then inspire forcibly. So as we can see, the test has been performed. We can save it from here. Now we will again click on start. Then we have the post option. We will perform post test also, so that we can overlap both the test pre and post. So we are going to perform the post test. Just perform. Done. So we can see pre and post are overlapping here. So FVC test has been done. There are two other tests also, SVC and MVV. We can also perform those tests with this device also. So as we have saved the test, yes, if we want to see the results, we will click on results and we can see pre and post test results here. There are various parameters which we can further interpret, or the doctor can interpret, and with the help of which patient lungs health can be interpreted. So this was the result section, and this is the print section. There are various options here. You can see FVC only, SVC only, MVV only, all in one page. With these various parameters, with these various options, we can get different type of print, with the help of which we can interpret further. So thank you.